La-la-la-la-la-la, happy Toddler.
Mr. Police. Mr. Policeman, what do you do? You help the people, you keep us safe too. On the street, day and night, blue lights flashing, everything's alright. If you feel scared, if something's wrong, help is coming, it won't take long. Mr. Policeman, help, help, help. When you need help, don't wait, don't run. Pick up the phone, it's easy to do. Call 112, one's way. Someone is hurt, someone is lost. Police are ready, no matter the cost. They listen, they care, they know what to say. They help us feel safe every day. Stay calm, speak clear, say what you see. Help is on the way. 1, 2, 3. So, Mr. Policeman, help, help, help. When you need help, don't wait, don't run. Pick up the phone, it's easy to do. Call 112, one's way. 112, say your name. 112, what's the game? No, 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 it's not a game. 112 helps every day. Mr. Policeman, thank you for all the things that you do. If there's danger, if you're in trouble too, remember the number 112. 112. 112. Help is coming.